Forgot to include this. So to get your player ID, just be here. Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys a tutorial on how to add the name manager. Since you guys wanted me to make a video on this, I'm gonna make the video. So yeah, alright. So make a empty name it managers, or where, well, name it name manager. Then yeah, or if you have a manager thing, create empty name it name ma manager. Then import the script, the asset. Go to Frog Stuff, name it manager. You're here, drag in both of these. So um one I'm gonna work on first is going to be unique name manager. So this is basically so people can't steal. So my name in the game is gonna be Mudstud. So in my game, Apex, it's gonna be Mudstud so people can't steal my name. So let me show you guys how to set this up. So add this reserve name, put this as your name. For this, I'm gonna put this as Tut, and put in your playfab ID. So this playfab ID is uh this one, and put your playfab ID. So this is your player. Forgot to include this. So to get your player ID, just be here, find the most recent, and copy the master player account ID. Well, this is just find your Unity account or the person's ID. Yeah, playfab ID. So yeah, then for playfab manager, press plus, then should pop up here. And for name script, press plus, it should pop up here. You have to have the computer thing with this org feedback text. Alright, so let's skip that for now. Delay. This is how long it takes for the message to pop up saying that this name is reserved. You cannot use this name, like that. So delay. So if you want it to be 1 second delay after you put the name in, put it to 1 second. If you want it to be 10, put it to 10. Or if you want it to be 0 instant, put it to 0. But I like it as 1. Message that duration. I cannot speak. I'm so sorry. But if you want, this is how long the UI stays up for. So put this to like 10 or whatever you want. This is what the name is going to change to. So I'm gonna do tut and random number. This is for it to add random numbers behind the name. So if you don't want it to do that, just turn this off. But if you do, put this to whatever you want. So this can literally be as long as you want, as long as it fits on the name thing. So I'm doing 9,000 in 9,999 and starts from 0. Alright, now onto the UI. Okay, go to your Gorilla Rig. Alright, Gorilla Rig, Gorilla Player, main camera, create empty, name it bad name or whatever. Right click 3D object plane, scale it down, ro rotate it to the rotation of the thing, and drag it out a little bit. Then scale it down. Make sure it fits exactly on the thing. This is so then the text will have a. This is so then the text will be the max size that it can be. Boom. Boom. Alright. So then put it to whatever color you want. I'm gonna do um red. Not that red though. Not it's really bright. Let's do this red. That red is for like buttons. This red is for stuff for my UIs and stuff. And it's not blinding you right in the face. Then where should I think? Oh, then add a to the object text mesh pro. Scale it down to the size that you want. Put it directly on the plane. First, put this down. Keep this as what? Well, put this to whatever you want. It's not going to do anything. Um, do whatever you want here. I'm gonna do bold. Now I'm going to set this middle. I'm gonna put this in the middle of the text thing directly on it, so that it's basically touching. Okay, move this out a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the center. Now I'll press this. Scale this to the size of the cube. Well, plane. Try your best to scale it properly, so then it works properly for the size. So make sure it's like as close to the plane as it can be. And turn on auto size. Don't worry, the more text that you add, the smaller it's gonna get. You see? I'm gonna scale it down, bring this in a little bit more, so that it fits properly. So just spam it. Gotta bring it more on and on this side. That there we go. And then you can change the plane size. You can make it bigger. You can name it to whatever you want. Just name UI, name name UI text. It don't really matter. Let me put this back to the same. Oh, okay, yeah, sample text. Now go to your manager. Drag on for the name UI thing or the plan. Drag that onto alert object. And for text, oh, whoops, for text, drag on the text. So let me show you. You start your game. Okay. Why is this monster not moving? Oh wait, never mind. I haven't set that one up yet. Right. So now go to your computer keyboard thing. Put it to your name that you don't want it to be thing. And if it's the correct play property, it's going to say welcome in the name. So currently I have the duration set to 10. So if we put this to like 2, do this again, keyboard, we put this to whatever, enter, no, tut. It's going to stay up for 2 seconds. Now, let's see, if I change this, I'm going to move to that. I go to the keyboard, put the name to tut. It's going to give me this, and it's going to change the name. See? Now I go to the name manager. I set this to 0, and I put this to ape. Let's try this again. Tut. The name tut is reserved. Your name. Oh, okay. I forgot to put it back to the duration. I'm gonna put it at 7 just for this, but I like it to be longer so that people can read it properly. But tut. The name tut is reserved. Your name has been. Why? Which Name tut is reserved. Your name has been changed to Ape6. But now if I put this to 0 and 1, and I put the name back to tut, it's going to do 0, tut. It's randomized to 1 to whatever you put. So let me put it back to tut. As you can see, it changes. So if I put this to like 9, and I put this to there, it's going to do a lot of random numbers. You can see there. It does change the actual name, as you can see. And that's this one. Let's set that up. Oh, this also shows you your play fabric. Now for the bad name. I'm not going to actually put in the bad name, so I'm going to press plus. I'm going to put this to tut. You guys can add more bad names if you guys think that there's not enough. This starts off with 193. So this is replacement name. Prefix it for replacement names. Yeah. The same thing. This is the same thing as this stuff. Just press on the plus and it should automatically pop it up. For this one, same thing. Name UI is the game alert object. The text mesh pro. This is the same thing as the delay stuff. With this one, it can kick you from the game. So now there is more stuff. Let me show you something. So let me go to my Discord webhook. I'm going to go to my actual game. Go to copy the webhook, permission, interrogations, new webhook, name it whatever you want. I'm gonna put the tut, copy webhook, boom, put your webhook. Then, okay, violations before it pings the role for them to take care of it. So I'm gonna put it to 0. Make a role for it to ping. For me, it's my BadNameManager role. Create copy role ID. Go to here, put in role ID thing. The kick player doesn't work when you're in here. This is also done. Okay. So, okay, that was big. So keyboard. Let me put this to. Oh, what was the bad name? Hold on, look at that. Name manager. There we go. Let me put this to fake because I already did that tut. Changes the name. Go to Discord. Bad name detected. Play fabric. The play fabric original. What they put their name to. Changed name. What they changed the name to. Season violations. This is well. So how do I explain this? So if I put this to 3, it's going to do this up to 3 times, and it's going to restart back. Then it's on the 3rd try, it's going to, in 3rd violation, it's going to ping the roll. So that's basically it. Total violations. This is the violation, all the violations on the playfield ID. So yeah. If you guys have any questions, I will. Don't ping me, please. Unless if it breaks your game, then you can ping me. I'll help you figure that out. But if you have any questions, just ping the @helper. They hopefully will know how to do this. If not, they will ping me because helpers and up they are able to ping me. I'm a server manager. I'm like the owner. I'm just server manager, but I don't really like to be pinged in the server. Unless if I need to be pinged. I'm also a helper, so I will be pinged too. But I don't really check it out that much. But well, no, I do check it out and stuff. Like I help this guy out. He pinged me. I said Europe. Okay, fine. You guys can ping me. Just don't spam ping me. That's basically what I mean. But this is fully made by me. Alright, bye guys.